So, hello, my dear students. How are you all? I'm here once again with one more very important topic, that is mole concept. Mole concept means mole is a very big number, a big amount, and it is a measurable unit of amount of substance. So first of all, I would like to give one introduction about mole. Suppose we used to purchase banana in dozen. One dozen means 12 bananas. I used to purchase groceries item like sugar in 1 kg. Similarly, for atom, molecule, ion, particles, entities, I used to I use counting unit for counting them, and that counting unit is nothing but that is mole. Mole is nothing but it is amount of substance. So mole equal to Na, Avogadro's number, nothing but unit value is 6.02 10 to the power 23. It is derived from carbon 12 scale and also known as magic number. And from the definition, 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains so many particles as there are exactly atom in 12 gram carbon 12 scale. Means measurable unit is what? 12 gram carbon. Suppose I have to purchase 1 kg potato, so on behalf of 1 kg potato, he used to put the weight of 1 kg, and in left side, in another side, he used to provide 1 kg potato. Same thing, carbon 12 is measuring unit, and with the help of carbon 12 we can calculate mole of any kind of particle, correct? So it's about introduction part of mole. And mole is nothing but a big number, Avogadro's number, also known as magic number. Value is 6.02 10 to the power 23. Means 1 mole atom equal to 6.02 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole molecule means 6.02 10 to the power 23 molecule. Similarly, 1 mole rupee. Assume you have 1 mole rupee, means you have a big number. 6.02 10 to the power 23 rupees means more than so many billions, trillions rupees, and you will never spend that amount in your whole life. Okay, remember this. I will make one question on about money spending per second, so that how much time it will take to calculate 1 mole rupees. For my next video, I will give the concept of mole numerical. So on proceeding, now we will discuss mole calculation, the basic calculation of mole, case 1, case 2 and case 3. So you have to remember for mole calculation the Guru Mantra. Guru Mantra means the 3-star formula, 5-star formula, and further it is 7-star formula. 3 cases are there, okay? So number 1, mole. Mole is nothing but given mass of that particle divided by gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. We already discussed about gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass in our previous video lecture. Okay, GAM means gram atomic mass and GMM means gram molecular mass. Now, what is the difference between given mass and gram atomic mass? Remember students, gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass is fixed, but given mass can be varied to question. For example, it will provide in question, so that it depends on examiner mind that what he is going to ask, correct? So in first question, in first example, I have to calculate number of mole for the following. I have 60 gram sulfur and 54 gram water, correct? And he is providing molecular mass in term of gram molecular mass, because unit is gram per mole. Sulfur is 32, H is 1 and oxygen is 16 gram per mole. So simply you have to do according to Guru Mantra. 64 is given mass for sulfur, you see in the question, and divide by 32. How 32? Because atomic mass or gram atomic mass of sulfur is gram per mole, it is 32. So simply I have to do 64 divided by 32, answer will be 2 mole. In case of water, it is 54 gram, correct? 54 gram is in question, it can be vary question to question, right? Now we have to calculate gram molecular mass. If atom is there, I will use gram atomic mass. If molecule is there, I will use gram molecular mass, correct? So for hydrogen it is 1, and in the formula it is 2 hydrogen, so that 1 into 2. And for gram molecular mass of oxygen, it is 16. So 1 plus 2 plus 6, 1 into 2 plus 16. Answer is 18. 54 divided by 18. Answer is 3 mole. So it's very easy question. Simply you have to divide that particular amount of substance which is given in the problem with the gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass you have to calculate using gram atomic mass by sum, as I did here. Okay, so it is very common question. Given mass you will find in the problem, and gram molecular mass you have to manage by your own. Okay, in next question it is number of particle. In next question it is what? Number of particle calculation. What is particle? It is atom, it is molecule, it can be ion. Okay, so Guru Mantra means 5-star formula. Little complexity is there. So number of particle, it can be atom, molecule or ion. For this you have to multiply number of mole by this case, using case 1, and next further multiplication of Na means Avogadro number will be takes place. Okay, so simple one question is there. Calculate number of molecule in 4.4 gram carbon dioxide. The amount is given for carbon dioxide is kitna? 4.4. Okay, and m means molecular mass, nothing but molecular mass. Carbon it's 12 and oxygen is 16. It is in gram per mole. So simply I will use second Guru Mantra or 5-star formula, that is given n into Na. What is n? Again I have to find n. N means number of mole, correct? So given mass is 4.4, and next is gram molecular mass. So gram molecular mass I can calculate for molecule by adding gram atomic mass. 12 for carbon, see, and 16 into 2, because 2 oxygen is there, so that I have to multiply 16 with 2, correct? So 16 into 2, further 4.4, it will be 44, and next I have to multiply, because it is second formula and he is asking about number of particle, not exactly number of mole. If he will ask number of mole, I will stop my calculation here. But if he is asking about number of molecule, number of particle, number of ion, so that further I have to use, or I have to multiply with Avogadro's number, correct? So Avogadro number is 6.02 10 to the power 23. So further it will be 0.1, 6.02 10 to the power 23, and final answer you can write in this manner or in this manner by shifting the decimal left or right, or by increasing the power or decreasing the power of that particular number. So it is number of molecule in 4.4 gram CO2. Okay. Next is case 3. Little more complexity is there. Any kind of cases, any other cases. Suppose I have to calculate. See, this question will be little different from 2 earlier. Okay, number of carbon atoms in 60 gram ethane, C2H6. What he is asking? Number of carbon atom in 60 gram ethane. You have to be very much careful about in such kind of question, because in question molecule is given. Ethane is molecule, ethane is not atom, and on behalf of this molecule he is asking carbon atom. Means in ethane he is not asking complete molecule, he is asking how much carbon atoms are there. So in such type of cases we will do more practice in our next video classes. Okay, but we can try this as a 7-star formula or third Guru Mantra. N, the first case, Na, the second case, and number of particle in the formula, that is in third case. So it is very easy. Number 1 N you can find, number 2 Na you are know. Okay, and number 3 number of carbon. देखिए number of particle in the formula, so that number of carbon atoms in the formula. He is asking about number of carbon atom. Now particle is nothing but particle is carbon atom, so that directly you can manage your formula. Okay, so what is number of carbon atom in the formula? By modifying this 7-star formula, number of carbon atom in ethane is 2, so that I multiplied by factor 2 in this concept. Okay, this concept is very much common or very similar as to the second one, but the next concept, next term 2 is multiplied here, because he is asking not molecule, he is asking atom which is present inside the molecule. Okay, so this is N, 60 divided by, it's a GMM, 12 for carbon, multiply by 2 for that carbon number, it is 24, and 6 for hydrogen, 6 is number of hydrogen, and 1 is gram atomic mass of hydrogen. And further it is nothing but it is N, it is what? Number of mole. Now next NaC 6.02 10 to the power 23, and number of carbon atom in the formula, it is kitna carbon? It is 2 carbon, so that I did multiply by 2. Okay, why I did not multiply by 6? If he will ask, or he is asking about number of hydrogen atom in this 60 gram ethane, so further I have to multiply by 6 in place of 2. If he will ask total number of atom in 60 gram ethane, so what you will do? You will do sum of total atom in ethane. In ethane total 6 atom, 2 for carbon and 6 for hydrogen. So if he is asking calculate total number of atom in 60 gram ethane, because atoms when combined form molecule, so in question molecule will be given, and he is asking, suppose he is asking total number of atoms, so that I will multiply by 8, correct? But here he is asked only 60 gram ethane, and asking the particle is carbon. Okay, so that I did multiply by 2. Okay, so it will be 60 upon 30 multiplied by 2. Further you will solve, you will get this answer. What is this answer? What is this exactly meaning? It is nothing but it is number of carbon atom in 60 gram ethane. So students, you can try for number of hydrogen atom in same question and number of total atom in same question. So you will find different values for different concept, correct? So remember students, you learn only 3 things here. Number 1, mole calculation, given mass by gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. With the help of this example, you can learn how first formula is carried out. Okay. Next, how I used second formula. Again, I mentioned one question or one numerical. In 4.4 gram, I have to calculate number of molecule. In this question, it was about number of mole. And in this question, I will use 5-star formula, that is N into Na. Whenever he will ask about number, okay, number and nothing else, there is no difference like he is asking number and mole is providing, okay, or gram is providing. So simply you will use case number 2. And if there is little doubt and some conceptual question, some tricky question, some twisted question, and I have to calculate by anyhow, so at that time I will use any other cases wala formula, that is case 3, N into Na into number of particle in the formula. Particle can be atom, can be ions, can be electron, proton. Question can be very much tricky when he is asking inside the beauty of that particle, correct na? So calculate number of carbon atom in 60 gram ethane. He provided molecule, and he is asking about atom. So some tricky, some confusion is there. At that time you will use case number 3, number of particle in the formula. In formula, number of carbon atoms are 2. That's why I did multiply with 2. Okay, it is quite similar with the question case 2, but little different. Why? Because he is asking atom inside the molecule. So students, I will give some practice question so that you can solve your concept, you can boost your knowledge, you can enhance yourself by solving that practice problem, or you can use NCERT book also, so that your concept will be enhanced. Okay, so till next video, in next video lecture we will talk about some more complex problem, some more complex topic, some more complex concept, and I will be with you so that we can manage our classroom more beautiful. Our classroom transaction will be more benefited towards you. Okay, till then, thank you, thanks a lot.